Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lynn and I do fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos. If you're interested, click the subscribe button down below so you don't miss out, okay?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.
Okay, so today's video is a Fashionnova haul. I just want to show you guys a few cute pieces that I love from Fashionnova, and I'm pretty sure you guys will love it too. So I will link everything down below, and let's just get into this video. Okay, so the first piece that I have is this onesie. It's like army detailing, you know, color or whatever. If it's real snug, real nice, I would say go a size in this because it can be a little tight. Like this be rolling up sometimes because it's slightly tight. Like it feels comfortable to me, but like if you don't like that, which I don't really like that when I'm trying to look cute, I don't want to keep pulling my, you know, stuff down, I would say go up a size. So I think I got this in a size small, not too sure, but I'll show you guys on the screen what size it is. Sorry. Oh, and sorry if you hear anything. I'm washing my clothes and I'm in the living room right now, so yeah. Now I love this onesie so much that I got it in two other colors, which is black and orange. So I'm gonna show you guys really quick. Okay, so this is the next piece. It is the same one like I said from before. It's just like burnt orange, very bright, very summery. It's so cute. I would love to pair this with a distressed cropped denim jacket. That would be so cute. I think I did that before. I just can't remember. I can't remember if I still have one. I had like a black one actually, and it was so cute. I'll put that on the screen as well. So if you're interested, I'll also link it down below. But yeah, here's the orange. It is cute, and this one's very comfortable. Like, it's not as tight as the other one. I don't know if I got it in a smaller size or not, but or if it's just built differently, like how they sewed it. But this one fits really good. So I would say just get your size. It's like true to size. It fits really good. You can go outside with this, go to the store real quick. Love it. Now let's go ahead and put the black one on. Okay, so this is the black one. It is very comfy, very simple to go to the store with, whatever, go to the mall, whatever you want to do. And you can dress it up or dress it out if you want to. Here's the back. And it also fits like the orange one, like I was saying. It's very comfortable. It's not like the first one with the army print. It's very comfortable, true to size. So I would say if you're small, get a small. You're medium, get a medium. So yeah, I'll link this down below. Let's get to the next outfit. Okay, so this next outfit is a two-piece from Fashionnova. It is like the silky, silky black feel to it. I don't know why every time I come in this camera, my phone go off. Like, relax. Anyways, it's very cute. It's like for a night going out. I did wear this going somewhere. I forgot what I was wearing exactly, but it was very cute. I was in like Puerto Rico at that time. But it goes down. I don't know how far y'all can see. But yeah, it's all the way down here. I love skirts that are like mini skirts though. So like I would actually like this if it was shorter. But, you know, it's still cute. The way this fits, I think I got my true size. It's your true size, but as you can see, like I gained a little bit of weight. I'm almost like 130 and like it's going into my stomach now. So I don't know how it will fit if I went up a size, and also my boobs got bigger, so I would go up a size now, like a medium. But this was a small, and when I first had it, my chest was a little smaller, so this fit really good. But do your own judgment. Like I say read the reviews, but I think either get your size or like a size up maybe. So let's go on to the next outfit. Okay, so this next outfit is a one piece all the way down. It got long legs. And here's the back. It's not really showing too much skin on the back, but on the sides, yes, it's very open concept right here. But so you can style this how you want. I'll put up how I styled it. I think I put on this cropped denim jacket, but it was like black, and it was so cute. And I had some like bright orange or yellow Nike, and I'll show you like the full outfit. It was so cute, and it was like my birthday. It's actually funny because my birthday was yesterday. I'm 22 if you want to know. You know what I'm saying? But like I wore this like a couple years ago. I forgot how long, on my birthday, and it was just so cute. And it was very comfortable. Like this is very comfortable to wear if you're trying to go out but look cute but don't want to be uncomfortable. Yes. So So I don't know if you guys are like me when I order online, because I'm pretty good at ordering online, but to be safe, depending on what it is, like I wasn't sure if this was going to be like a weird fit or not, because sometimes you can't tell the texture on there. This, I say get true to size, but I always end up going a size down if I am worried about it, because I'm already a small. So I remember I got this thing from Fashionnova. It was like these pants, and I actually seen them the other day. I was like, ooh, you motherfucker. It was so big, and I got extra small, and that's why I be worried. I'm like, it was so big, like, ugh. That's why I go down. But like with Fashionnova, it's like very often it fits you. So, well, for me, it fits me very often. But true to size, and I love it to like pair with other things. Is very cute. Yes. Okay, so let's go to the next outfit. Okay, so the next pieces are this top from Fashionnova. It is a corset top. I love it. This is also true to size, so don't worry about having to go a size up. Unless you have a big chest, then okay. But I don't really have a big chest. But for me, yeah, I want my size. Like I also said, let me put a disclaimer again, I gained some weight, so none of this fits. Or some of them fit, but not like that, because I'm dying right now, I'm dying. But other than that, when I first got it, fit real good. I liked it a lot. It's like that faux leather feel to it. And then these shorts that I got from Fashionnova, normally I get my shorts and like jeans and stuff from American Eagle, and there's another brand, I can't remember anymore because I don't shop there like that anymore. I got so many jeans from it, it's like whatever. If I can remember, I'll put it on the screen, but theirs, I love them because they fit really good. But these I got from Fashionnova, and I showed you one with it rolled up, how you normally do my jeans, which is like rolled up, showing the butt cheek a little bit, sometimes not. But this is how it normally comes on this side. It comes like this. You can see the back. It still shows some cheek if you don't like roll it up, but I still roll it up. So it's kind of difficult to keep it like that, but that's just how I like it. I like that little rolled up short slip. But yeah, this is really cute. It's what is this called? Acid wash. Got a little gray on it with the black. These are all black, but they got a nice little gray touch to them, as you can see. They're very cute. I love them. They're so cute, and they're comfortable as well. I forgot what size I got this in. It's probably a small. If not, then I'll correct myself and put it on the screen. But yeah, here's this outfit. It's very cute. I would wear this too. Very simple, very cute. But let's go on to the next one. This next piece we have is this cropped like tank top, bralette type thing going on. It's very cute. It's brown, like a chocolatey brown. And I think there's a green one that they have. It's so cute. I really want that one, but it keeps getting sold out. So we just got this one. But I really like it. It's very comfortable. Like it's not too tight on the chest. You can breathe. I got this in my normal size, which is a size small. And I don't know. I feel like it could be slightly tighter. Like you can't tell. Like it looks perfectly fine, but I don't know. I can tell by like how it's on me. I feel like it could be a little tighter, but I wouldn't say go a size down too much. If you have like big boots or something like that, or even medium, I wouldn't do that because you don't want it like now hanging out on the side because it's not that far off. But it's very cute and comfortable, and I love it. I haven't styled it much yet, but I have some ideas, and I'll come back to you guys. You'll see a picture or something on Instagram. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram, okay? Because once I get back into my groove, into my style, I have an idea, and I don't want you guys to miss out. So don't forget to follow. It's right here on the screen. Okay, so this next top, I love it so much. It's like a very lacy detailing on the bottom, and it's also on the back a little bit. I didn't even show you guys. I'm over here covering it. And then, you know, showing the chest a bit. Like, I really love it. It's very cute. It's comfortable. I think I got this in a small or extra small, and I believe I have a picture of how I styled it. So if I do, I will put it up. I actually wore it one time with these shorts, but that's not what I'm thinking about. I think I wore this like with something really cute, but if not, whatever. I think you'll like this. If you love that lacy look, it's like a very cute bralette. Get this, it's very cute. I will put it down below, don't forget, okay? So don't forget to check the description box. You're gonna be missing out if you don't check, not me. you're gonna be missing out. Okay, so this next top is a bodysuit, and you have seen this on my channel if you watch my other videos. And I really love this bodysuit. It's kind of see-through, as you can see. But I love it. I don't mind that. If you do, then I wouldn't get this. Or I would wear nipple covers underneath, because your nipples will be showing a little bit. But it's very cute. Here's the back. Has a little opening up here. It's not too showy. Usually, if I'm not, because these are like high-waisted shorts, it shows your skin on the side for both sides. So it depends on what you wear. So wear some like low-rise jeans or shorts or something like that. Yeah, you will see. But it's cute. It's a very cute look. I forgot what I was gonna say. I can't remember if I styled this or not, but if I did, I will put it on the screen for you so you can see. I love stuff that is very versatile. Like, you just push this up. Like, all of them, I can do that with so many different outfits. So if you loved this video and if you love these clothes, check the description box and leave a like, and also comment and subscribe. Pick one or two. Like and subscribe, like and comment, pick one. Okay? Don't be looking at my video and just passing on. No. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget, I post twice a week. At least I try to. If I don't, it will be at least once a week unless I'm sick. But my posting schedule is every either Tuesday or Wednesday. Still figuring it out. Or, I'm sorry. My posting schedule is either Tuesday or Wednesday, depending on how my schedule is that week. And always on Fridays. Always. Fridays at 5 or 6 p.m. Tuesdays and Wednesdays at 8 a.m. And I'm going to start posting on the weekends again, Saturday and Sunday, for YouTube shorts. So if you love those, check it out, because I'm starting to do some new stuff, you know, some cool transitions. Okay? I'm not going to like say too much, but you're going to love it. So subscribe and stay tuned in, okay? Turn your post notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days.